and welcome to this Arduino tutorial. Today we'll be looking at line tracking. More specifically, we'll be tracking black lines, and reasons will become clearer later on. But first, let me introduce you to the module that will be making this happen. Now this is the module here. It has 3 pins, and it has a voltage one, which is the top one. The middle one is the output, and the bottom one, and the one closest to the camera, is the ground. So here I have already set up and connected the wires. So all we have to do is plug it in, like so. And you can see the middle one, the blue wire is the middle one, and it's connected to an analog socket because we're having an analog output. And then the ground is the orange one, and then the 5 volt extra is the white one. And finally we're going to have an LED, which is going to be more of a visual representation of the line, and when we hit the line and when we don't hit the line. So we're going to put that in here. We're going to slot it into the ground on the other side of the Arduino, like so. Right, now over here we have our mini little circuit here, just a few cables put together. This will be our track, so to speak. Let's move this along. And so what's going to happen is we're going to move this bits way along to here so that I can show you that it follows the black circuit, and it doesn't follow the area around the black. The reason why it's black has to be the color. It's because black is less reflective than all the other colors. So, and this module knows it, and therefore that communicates with the Arduino, which then is programmed the LED to flash crazily when it is not on the circuit, and then to be more steady when it is on the circuit, on the black line. So let's go to the circuit now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to program the sensor pin, the LED, and the initial sensor value, which is 0. Then we're going to program the output, and we're going to have a plotter here. We're going to use that as our monitor. We're going to get we're going to loop the sensor and print out the sensor values. So the DP is going to go high, low, and we're going to have this as the sensor value, like so. So let us upload it. Let's upload this code. Right, at the moment nothing's happening because it is in the air and it's not near a surface at all, any surface. The moment we do this, well, and let's just move this around a bit, you'll see it goes crazy flashing, and then nothing happens. It goes off when it's not near a surface. Well, it flashes when it's not near a surface, and then when it's in a surface it flashes like crazy. Now if we introduce the black line, you can see there it's flashing. So if we introduce the line here, you'll see that it goes on and off, it just flashes. But if we take it off the line, it flashes like really crazily. So then all we have to do is follow this line all the way along, and as you can see, it's just being, and we're using our LED as the output, and when we take it away, it does that. So let us